The TOB LGC18 is a compact and versatile grooving machine designed for uniform automatic grooving of cylindrical battery or capacitor cases. Its vertical structure ensures battery gaskets remain secure, while the adjustable groove size delivers high precision and stability. The machine supports a wide range of cylindrical battery types and features a PLC touchscreen for easy operation and settings. Customizable for larger batteries such as 32700 and 4680, it combines efficiency, accuracy, and user-friendly design for modern battery production.